Students, I am Baudur Khan, Government First Grade College, Bangarpet. Today we have 11th session. So the topic is introduction and basic concepts. So under that we have types of advertising continuation. So in last class we have discussed the types of advertising. So let me discuss today the remaining concepts. So what is an objective of this chapter is that to provide an understanding of the basic concepts of advertising. Next, session outcomes. The students will be able to understand the type of advertisement. That is the session outcome. Next, classification on the basis of advertising stages. So first stage is pioneer stage advertising. So under this stage, the advertiser has to understand the method of advertising, mode of advertisement, because different stages will have a different amount of advertisement and the different methods of advertisement. Next one is competitive stage advertising. So example, if suppose already product is available in the market and they are providing some kind of method, then we have to see that what kind of method we have to follow to approach the customers by overtaking the competitor advertising. Then retentive stage. Retentive stage means we have to keep the customers towards our product. Even that is a big thing for that. Next we have classifications on the basis of purpose. So what purpose we are advertising and in what method we are advertising. Example, first one we have direct action advertising. Some products and some companies they will directly advertise without taking other aspects into consideration. Second one is indirect action advertising. Sometimes in order to bring some other changes or and attract customers, they give advertisement in the indirect manner. When that method is also is there. Third one is direct response advertising. Direct response advertising, under that if you advertise if you advertise if you advertise definitely you will get a return back. Next, primary demand creation advertising. Primary demand creation advertising means the products are introduced newly, and automatically they wanted to create more demand for their products initially. So for that also they will advertise. Then selective advertising. Next, classification on the basis of function. Social advertising, like giving advertisements related to social activities on social media. Then second one is political advertising. We have been seeing from at the time of elections and all other things. They give political in order to cover the voters. Then product advertisement and service advertising. Then institutional advertising. These all are different classifications of advertising. So let me discuss the multiple choice questions. How many households does a market need minimum to be considered as a major market? Say example, 10 lakh is the right answer. From 1 lakh to 10 lakh or 10 lakh. 10 lakh is the right answer. The other options are like 20 lakh, 1 lakh to 10 lakh, 2 lakh 50,000 plus and 10 lakh plus. So your answer is 10 lakh plus. Second question, addressable media are used to deliver customized marketing message to identifiable prospects for two-way communication, or for social media, none of the above. So your answer is to deliver customized marketing message. That is the answer, right answer. Third one is, which of the following is not a strength of the television media? High initial production cost efficient medium per reach, high impact and dynamic medium, high reach medium. So answer is high initial production cost. Next one is, which medium is often referred to as junk mail? Direct mail, yellow pages, television, newspapers, insert. So direct mail is the junk mail. Next, name two of the three major types of advertising found in newspaper: banner, classified, display, below the line, classified. So these are the various reference books which are available for your reference. So thank you very much for patient listening.